Mm.
The food slides down into the food pipe and enters into the stomach. Okay. How does the food slice down? It slides down through an action known as peristalsis. Peristalsis is wave-like contraction which occurs throughout the wall of the alimentary canal. This wave-like contraction pushes the food down into the stomach and further throughout the alimentary canal. Slowly, this movement occurs. When the food lands inside the stomach, it is acted upon by a juice released by the stomach known as gastric juice. You have heard of this before. Gastric juice contains three things. One, it contains HCl. What does HCl do? This is concentrated acid. It makes the food acidic. Okay, not only that, it helps to kill the germs present inside the food. Second thing that is present inside gastric juice is pepsin enzyme. This enzyme digests protein. It breaks down protein into peptones and peptides. For the action of this enzyme, the food has to be acidic. If the food is alkaline, pepsin will not work. That is why HCl is said to facilitate the action of pepsin enzyme. Third thing that is present inside this gastric juice is sticky substance known as mucus. What does mucus do? It protects the inner lining of the stomach from the action of this HCl. Okay. Now after this, the partially digested food passes through this small intestine, and here it is acted upon by two glands. One is pancreas, another is a duct that comes through the liver. Liver releases bile juice. What does bile juice do? Actually, bile juice does not contain any enzyme, but this bile juice performs two important functions. It makes the food alkaline. It changes the pH of the food. Why? Because for the action of the pancreas and for the action of the intestinal juices, food now has to be alkaline. So bile juice does not contain any enzyme, but it makes the food alkaline. Next, it causes emulsification of fat. Emulsification means what? Breakdown. Say, large fat globules are broken down into smaller fat globules by the action of this bile juice so that enzymes can further break them down. Okay, so two important function: it makes food alkaline, causes emulsification of fat. What does pancreatic juice do? Pancreas releases the juice, as I just told, pancreatic juice, and this one contains three important enzymes. One is trypsin, second is lipase, and third is pancreatic amylase. Trypsin digests protein. Lipase enzyme digests fats. Amylase digests starch. So these three enzymes cause further breakdown of the food, but these are not responsible for complete breakdown of food. Who does that work, complete breakdown of food? That is done by the intestinal juices. As the food passes through the intestine, it is further acted upon by the small intestinal juices which completely digest the food. And in the small intestine only, food is completely digested and absorbed. So if the question is asked, where is the food completely digested? That occurs inside the small intestine. Okay.